Lovelies, welcome back to Immaculate Show. This video is mind-blowing. Did you know that YouTube has become a money-making machine worldwide, and at the same time it has enriched some of the individuals to go and withdraw millions on every 21st to 26th of the month? Can you imagine? The funniest part is that the few, the minority, are getting these millions. Can I tell you something? Last year, at least the top 10 content creators on YouTube went home with 300 millions collectively. But the funniest part, can I tell you, the 90% of the creators, they hardly get $100 on a monthly basis. My question is, what separates these 10 top creators like Mr. Beast and others from you and me, who are small creators with great niche that cannot bang or cannot sit on the same table and we earn this amazing, wonderful amount of money? There is something that is separating them from you and me, and I discovered this the separation after going step by step, after touching onto the code, and I saw how money was flowing. I tell you, in the last years, me as a person, I earned more than 8,000 US dollars as a new creator, and at the same time, remember, I'm on to 8 to 12 hour job. I chose to take you through a step-by-step guide or a step-by-step tutorial to make sure that we can learn on how to make millions of dollars on YouTube. Is it workable? Yes, it is workable. I know some nices and some other people are going to think, oh, you're looking for views, you're looking for people to watch you. Yes, I'm looking for views, and at the same time, I want to help you. You start withdrawing on every 21st of the month. How do you do it? Before that, you guys, thank you very much, especially to my royal viewers. If it wasn't you, I would not have been here 4 years down the road. It is because of you that you allow my face to be on your screen. So why not thank you? Thank you very much. And for you who have paid for membership, God bless you all. You guys, I have a masterclass. People have already started registering, and then also, if you want, please holler me at peacechristine4@gmail.com. It's only business, no stories, and it is payable. Let's dive in and see exactly what are these steps that you can take, or I'm taking, or the first step, the second step that you can take, and you reach this milestone of millions like other 10 top creators. The first step is to choose a profitable niche. Most people have talked about this profitable niche, but surprisingly, some of our creators, or you who is watching me, if you know it has not gone down into your spine, and you understand it, that's why you cannot withdraw a million in your currency on a monthly basis. Step 1 is choosing a profitable niche. I can call it a right niche, and not all niches are created when it comes on YouTube earnings. You guys, high-paying niches are there. I've always been telling you that they're high-paying niches. What are these high-paying niches? High-paying niches like finance, like education. Then we go and talk about technology, health and fitness. We go to lifestyle. We go to reviews. All these ones, they often attract advertisers than these other niches, the ones you can mention in the comment section. This means that the moment the advertiser attracted to them, your CPM is going to be very high. Surprisingly, I started getting a CPM of $141. Is it abnormal? That night I did not sleep, but it's from me concentrating and knowing exactly where to touch. I want you to be very keen with me. CPM is cost per mile. That is, it is measured as per 1,000 views, and for your videos, the moment they hit a high CPM, you are good to go. So start today and sit down, identify the high-paying niche. How do you identify the high-paying niche? Now that you have already known which areas are they have high paying niches. You can start from, for example, finance, fitness. Sit down and ask yourself, where exactly do I lie? It's not about having passion. No. You can join this industry when you have passion. But there are two things that you need to consider. People's needs, what do people want? And also you, what do you want? You give people what they want to feed on by getting value, by getting entertainment. Then in return, you reap those millions of money, of dollars that I'm talking about. Let's go to the second one. Another step, retention. You guys, in my lifetime, I've come to see that content with high retention can make the advertisers, or can influence the algorithm. Before, most people are blinded, especially us upcoming creators. We are into views, we are into subscribers. By the way, did you hear me talk? If you want, you can subscribe. Please subscribe to me. Please subscribe to this channel. No, I no longer do that. You know the reason? The moment you find where there is value, you'll sit there. The moment you find, no, I love this, you will even subscribe without asking. So let us change the narrative of begging, of asking, please, please, no, and give people value. Now, when we are talking about retention, how do you make sure that you've retained the viewers? Out of 100, at least 5 of them, 5 to 10 of them, the beginning, they have watched from beginning up. That it's a bit tricky for people who have been in content creation, you know that, but the beginning, the starting matters a lot. How do you connect your thumbnail? How do you connect your title with what you've started with? When I was starting creation, I used to go very far. I used even to bring the first things that are not necessary. That's why I used to ask people, you know what, I did that. People don't need that. People need, what do you have for them on the table, such that they can remain with you on that dining table. So I wrote in our blog, I said, did you know that YouTube algorithm heavily rewards videos with high retention rates? This means that longer people, the longer the people stays, the longer the attention to that. What it is written in the Bible, that the ones who have will be added. So you make sure at least you grab some people that will come. Let them at least watch some 3 to 5 minutes. Use hooks at the beginning. If you can see that why I started this video, unlike other days I would have said, good morning, good afternoon, mate. No. People don't want that. They want what you have. So start with hooks, and also comparing storytelling, and keep editing sharp to maintain your audience attention. Let's go to the point number 3. Covered. I've come to know, and there's some of the videos that have blown up, and I was checking and I had optimized so high. So step up the game. You can do optimization. Other optimization tools are free of charge, and even if you want, you can go for premium to enjoy all the benefits. What are these optimization tools? Before you go to optimization tools, most successive YouTubers, they drive traffic through search and recommendations. You guys, if you can see that video on your screen, it has been recommended. It is not yet 1 week, but the way it is being recommended, the more it is recommended, the more people watch, the more they go. It's not that it is much different from others, but I really highly, optimized it. You can check from the onset, from the thumbnail up to the description. I want you to open that video and see. So I encourage you guys, use tools like Tube and VIDQ. You can even go ahead and use Meta AI. Guys, it's worth it. Guys, these tools like VIDQ, like TubeMate, they help you be discovered. How do they help you be discovered? They give you the words, they give you the titles that can easily catch, that are already on the standards and SEOs. So the moment you use this, they at least push you away. They push you forward. For example, instead of me saying my morning routine, I'm giving an example, I would say my morning productivity. Do you know the key search word is there? It is productivity. Or maybe you can call it how my morning is always productive. You get it? Imagine there is how and there is productive. This is what we can do for us to join the race and fight for these millions that are on YouTube. Let's go to the fourth. The fourth is diverse your income streams. When I came to learn, all these big creators, they are not concentrating only on making videos. They are doing a lot of things. What are they doing? On YouTube, you can diversify your income. Apart from AdSense, that is the main. I love it so much because I want to sleep, wake up. Before I even sleep, I always go direct and check on my dashboard. How much has it dropped? How much has this video? I love that. However, apart from that, you can also encourage membership fee. Membership, people can pay according to the stages or the slots you put. Then you can also get money from gifts. Gifts on YouTube is like packs. Not talk of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the at least that I recommend you. And even me, I'm booting back, by the way. I'm going back to this affiliate marketing at Amazon. Why shouldn't I? If I have the audience like you who are clicking and watching, you should know where did I buy my earrings? Where did I buy my stand, my light stand? It is giving very nice. Where did I get all what I have? I'm using. I can use it. And the moment you use that, it means every time people are clicking and buying using your link, you're getting commission where you don't know. Next time I'll be bringing you a video on how to do real affiliate marketing and get commission in a good way. I'll bring it as a step by step. Other diverse, you can also venture into templates, into ebooks. I started ebooks. I've written templates. I've gone up to masterclass. So imagine you had sense. You're getting from membership. You're getting from masterclass. You go and sell your ebooks. What do you want? Because it is not hard. Whatever I'm putting here, now I expand into details and I put it into ebook. Anyone like the one reading people's books, they can also read mine. So this is how we can do it, and that's how these big millionaires are doing. But for you, if you sit down and wait for only AdSense and you find maybe your CPM is always low, you take 6-7 months, 1 year without receiving, why not give up? That's why most majority and 98% of the new creators are giving up content creation. Why? Because they are focusing on only one thing. I was happy when I got one of the colleague, and is a content creator, when he testified and said he has earned more money out of, I can call it promotion, that is brand sponsorship. He was given and he did a video, but that video, apart from AdSense, he has earned more than good dollars, even more than what is earning on YouTube from that video. So let's venture into that. We want to share on that cake. Can we scale our channel? How do we scale our channel? We can find what works. We can outsource what works. Okay, let me tell you. This is a story. When I was beginning this channel, I didn't know even how to handle a microphone. There's something that I do right now, and I say, hey, Jaren is going to beginning this channel. I had editor, I had upload. I didn't know anything. Even I didn't know how to edit. Then time came in, I brought in they are called social media managers. Until now, I've brought in people to optimize, to do thumbnails. Sometimes you outsource, you're bringing people to design some things. If you cannot do it yourself, like I'm very busy sometimes, then let somebody do something. Consistent and analyze your data. There is consistent and coming on a schedule. As to me, that is my definition. If you want to earn millions on YouTube, your consistency cannot be weekly, once. When you're a young creator who is not even getting 15,000 watch hours in a week, when you're not getting 10,000 views, when you see your average view duration is less than 3, and you tell me you're consistent with one video, that means you are not focused on being a millionaire, on sitting on a round table with those people. Then when we go to consistent, to me it means if I chose to be a creator, I chose my business based on being content creation, I have to open the shop every day. That is your the more. If I want millions, I have to show up for it. If I want money, I have to look for it. So how will you, even the people who are getting millions, go to VIDQ, go to Mr. Beast, go to Rocket Data, go to Vibe with Sonia. If you know all these people, they come every day. So why not me, the one who has not even quarter of them? And why not you? So consistency and following the schedule you put to favor your laziness is different for me. I want you as a creator who wants to join that table. I want you to start being consistent as to Immaculate Show. Now let's go and talk about analyzing your data. Analyzing your data is very important if you want to be a millionaire. The more you analyze your data, the more you will know how did the creators come, what were the good practices. Was it Next that brought creators, or it was external? And what about the age groups, demographics? How many people are watching up to this? How many people are dropping down? You get it? So the more you analyze your data, the more you know, okay, next time I need to retain these people. If it means to dance for them and it works, I will dance for them. If it means for them to, it depends on how you go around it, but you have to make sure you analyze your data. Now, having known this, you guys, I brought this video after knowing that most people are earning millions. However, some people's mentality thinks it's just a tale. It's not a tale, it's reality. I've earned millions, I've touched it, I've felt it, so I know the feeling of you, how you feel when you've touched it. And I also know the feeling when you're still struggling to touch it. So guys, having known all these methods, can we dive in? Can we scale up? Can we go and do and make this money? Guys, I would love to thank you for being with me and for keeping up to this moment. If you've kept up to this moment, please, I know you love me, share this video to somebody who is almost giving up.